Hello and welcome everyone to another update video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Quant. And today we saw a very important price movement for Ethereum. So that's why my main focus today will stay on Ethereum. I also opened an Ethereum long position. I will tell you all of the price targets and expectation as always in this video. So if you don't want to miss out on that in the future, leave a subscription down below the video, smash up the like button, activate the small little bell and enjoy this video. And we're starting here today straight on Ethereum 1 hour time frame, because for me personally, a very important price movement appeared here today actually for Ethereum, which I spoke a very long time ago about. I told you very often, if we are breaking above the 1840 US dollar cent level, I personally expect a huge rally. That's for me personally a good indication for that, because as you can see, the 1840 US dollar were practically resistance before all of the time. So we bounced against this 1840 US dollar level actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a row until we finally broke it towards the upside. So now the question is, are we going to hold this as support? And I personally think that Ethereum will be able to hold this as support. Even if I'm zooming in here on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that the move here, which we got towards the downside, wasn't too impulsive yet. So we came down rather correctively. So that's why I opened my long position somewhere here. And I also told my Telegram partners that if we're moving down here impulsively, coming up correctively, I expect another low where I want to open a long position, because from there I expect the next move here towards the upside. But as you can see, this move which we got to the upside isn't too impulsive yet as well. So let's see if we are holding this level. It could also easily be that this was a 3-wave move in an A wave. This is just a B wave. We are coming down once more in a C wave to really retest this 1840 US dollar level before we get the bounce towards the upside. So this is also in the, let's say, range of opportunities. But we can also get, of course, a straight direct breakout from here. We are turning bullish on the MACD indicator. We are breaking here above the moving average line on the RSI. So actually that will speak for a bullish continuation. We also got this nice 1, 2, 3 setup here practically. So I assume this is a 4th wave, which has a 5th wave afterwards. And in my opinion, this 5th wave can extend out easily. So I spoke about the price targets already in the past very often. I personally expect a pump here of a minimum target here towards the 2,280 US dollar level. So that would be the 1.618 of this smaller 1-2 setup, which actually held. And we also saw another impulsive move upwards, a corrective move downwards, which formed then this resistance, which broke today towards the upside. So this is why I think now this 3rd wave here, what we started here with another 1-2 setup, can be actually right now in the beginning. So that's why I'm in my long position. And I'm actually pretty bullish here for Ethereum, because overall, if I'm zooming out on the, let's say, daily time frame, you can see that we got a bounce here from the 880 US dollar level up to the 2000 US dollar level in a 5-wave structure. And I told you already there that most likely we will come down in a region between 1,100 and 1,300 US dollars. And we should get a bounce in the 3rd wave afterwards up to the 3,000 US dollar level. So this bounce to the 3,000 US dollars is also a 5-wave move. And I personally think that we had a 1-2 in place. We are now in the 3rd wave rallying. There will be a 4th and a 5th wave afterwards. And as you can see, this 3rd wave is most likely not even half over. So that's why I right now entered my long position. Of course, this can also turn into a corrective structure, which would mean that this is an A, B, C. But also for that, I would expect further upside. And I really don't consider that as too likely, because we had this 1-2 setup here, which is actually on the bigger time frames here. And this is showing me actually higher price targets, even if this would only be an ABC structure towards the upside. So I don't really consider it as too likely. I'm actually focusing on the upside pretty strongly, or all of the time. I'm not really into the bearish scenario here, and I also think on the smaller time frames right now can be the time for bullish continuation here, because we finally broke above this resistance. Let's now have a look at the Bitcoin chart as well. And there you can see, surprisingly, we didn't break above resistance yet. I told you there, the resistance we need to watch out here is at the $28,750 level, which was resistance all the time back here for several times. And actually, yeah, we didn't break it yet. We got rejected exactly at the resistance. But in my opinion, right now, we have the chance again to break through. And if this is happening, there is also the very good chance, in my opinion, however, this is no financial advice, but there's the very good chance, in my opinion, of a third wave rally here towards price targets at the end of, let's say, $36,000, because as you can see, it would, in my opinion, cascade higher. Yeah, if this now turns into a third wave, there would be a fourth and a fifth wave following, which completes then another wave 3. So in my opinion, there should be another wave 4 and 5 afterwards again, which then completes a bigger wave 3, and so on until we are here at the $3,000 level. We made enough 1-2 setups for that to happen. Let's now see how impulsive the wave 3s are to the upside. From now, we didn't get any confirmations for that yet. So we didn't see any evidence in the charts, but this is the wave count I'm following all of the times. So that's actually what I strongly believe. And for Ethereum, we already saw some evidence. We already got some push towards the upside through the resistance. So that's why I also think for Bitcoin, this can happen very, very likely. Let's now, last but not least, have a look at the Q&T chart as well. I'm zooming out here on the daily time frame for you. And you can see that I'm still following here my expectation of another low, which would then finish this ABC correction here towards the downside, which in my opinion happened here over the last few months. And this would be a wave C then. And we would need another low below the A wave low, which was at $95. And if we're getting this low, I will enter massive Q&T long positions and also buy some Q&T for my long-term holding portfolio, because from that point, it would be a crazy risk to reward ratio. I would expect price targets up to $380, but I'm absolutely not jumping in right now because this doesn't look too impulsive for me yet. And yeah, the C wave isn't finished. So we didn't reach minimum expectations, and that's why I cannot really turn bullish at this moment. So if you like this video, if you enjoyed this information, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down in the comment section. That helps me pushing the YouTube algorithm. And also don't forget to leave a subscription down below the channel, activate the small little bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. Thank you very much guys for watching. Thank you very much guys for your support, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.